Hi, the reason you should use a real estate broker is, I'll give you with an example. Look, I have been driving for the last 12 years. I still know driving, I still have a driving license and I can drive. But I have hired a driver just because he can drive more professionally. When I'm on the road, I cannot focus all the time. I'm receiving calls, I'm distracted, and I might hit somebody or I might, do an accident. But when you have a professional, what he does is no matter what I'm doing at the back, I'm working, I'm talking, I'm reading. At the same time, he is driving professionally. So the benefit is we don't get fines, we do not get into an accident. Yes, there is a cost to that, but when I look at the benefits are way above the cost. For example, if I sit at the back and I can finish some deals or I can finish some work, the time which I'm going to spend in commute is going to be way more than the salary he is getting. Similar is for real estate brokers as well. Yes, you can buy the property yourself. There is no problem. You can walk into the first developer's house and you can buy whatever is available. But if you come to the real estate broker, because we are professionals and we have learned the market, what we are going to do the best is we are going to analyze it. We are going to check the market because we will not be limited to one developer. Do you know there are around 1200 developers registered in Dubai, out of which 300 developers are actively working? On an average, in every 18 hours, there is a project launch in Dubai and the project is sold out very quickly. So as a real estate broker, we always enter into pre-launch phase, get the best unit and the best price for our buyers, and then we help them getting the highest ROI. When you enter into the developer, obviously the pre-launch is already gone and you are left with the stock which the developer did not sell it. So he or she is going to give you that stock, and that is where every now and then we hear from people that we are not getting the full potential of Dubai real estate or these videos are fake. No, the videos are not fake. The only thing is because you are not using a professional, that is why you are not getting the benefit out of it. So if you want to have the full potential of Dubai real estate, contact us ASAP. Thank you.